Hey guys, so for today's video, I have another Boohoo haul. You guys loved my last one. I actually did it a couple months ago. I think end of summer. Yeah, I think it was like August. You guys loved that haul. It was one of my most popular try-on hauls. I noticed that just like me, a lot of you guys are actually fans of Boohoo as well. I gotta be honest, they are probably my #1 favorite online shopping, not boutique store, whatever. I personally love them. So anytime the season changes, I kind of get in the mood for some new clothing, and anytime I want to online shop, Boohoo is always my go-to. Now this video is actually in partnership with Boohoo, but I have spent so much of my own money on Boohoo, and actually I think I'm gonna place another order, but this one on my own. So even though I work with Boohoo, they don't just send me clothes whenever. I spend my own money on Boohoo as well. But this video in particular is in partnership with Boohoo. So they did send me everything, but I got to choose everything, and I'm so excited. What I absolutely love about Boohoo is they have so many items and they are always in stock. Like there's a couple other online stores that I love, but my problem is that they never have stock of the popular items. The thing with Boohoo, they're always restocking. There's so many items to choose from, so many varieties. They actually have a specific spring tab if you guys want to shop some spring looks and some spring items. But the main thing I love about Boohoo is their discounts. There's always so many amazing sales, like 50, 60, even more % off. So I absolutely love that. I'm gonna go ahead and link the discount that they currently have down below. I don't have a coupon code just because they already give such great discounts. Like I'm telling you, their clothing is so affordable, but really great quality. Like a lot of their pieces I've kept for a really long time. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link down below. Also, I'm gonna link every single item I mentioned in today's video down below. The links are commission links, which means that I'm gonna receive a small commission if you guys shop through the links. So I really appreciate that if you guys choose to do that. A lot of you guys are so supportive, and you'll even message me asking me for my commission links so that you can support me, and that's like incredible. That's so sweet of you guys. I love you guys for that. So even though the weather has been really crazy here in Toronto, I know that spring is approaching. Usually end of March is when spring starts to come. So I've already started my spring shopping. I'm excited to share with you guys what I got. The first piece is this bodysuit that I'm wearing right now, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. Like it's so cute, you guys. I'm actually pairing it with these like I don't know, linear like leggings, whatever. Such a cute bodysuit. It's bright neon pink, which I love. I'm actually really happy with this bodysuit because anytime I try to get a one shoulder type of item, it always fits me kind of weird. Like it sits on my shoulder oddly and it doesn't fit over here properly. But this bodysuit actually fits really nicely, so I'm really happy with it. It also has a little bit extra booty room, which I was pleased to see. So if any of you have them extra large booties, it's gonna fit in this bodysuit. I have a pretty decently, I wouldn't say I have a huge butt, but I have a decently sized butt, and there's a good amount of room back there because it's super stretchy, but it still fits nicely everywhere else, so I like that about this. I also am obsessed with the color. I do not plan on letting up on the neon trend in this spring and summer. Like I'm still obsessed with the neon, specifically neon pink, because I just love the way it looks on me. I love the neon pink against a really pretty tan, so I'm obsessed with it. I think I did get this piece in a US 6. A lot of these pieces I got in a US 6, and it fits perfectly. Really comfortable, not too tight, but not loose or anything, other than a little bit extra room on the butt. I really like the way this fits. Again, a lot of these pieces, you guys, are so affordable. You're gonna be shocked at the prices. I'm gonna link all of the items below and also put the sizes down below so that it's easier for reference. So the next piece that I got are these really cool, what are these called? I know there's a name for it, but anyways, these really cool kind of like color block track pants. I know there's a name for it. I know it's not called slush, but I don't know what it's called. It's not scuba. Anyways, it's this kind of material. I love the way this material looks, by the way, because it just gives me like, trendy, sporty car racer vibes. Like I feel like I'm about to like, you know, whatever, Fast and the Furious vibes. Anyways. I love how color blocked these are. So the pockets that are on the side are black, and then it has a really thick white stripe. So these actually fit really nicely. When I first saw them and then I took it out of the package, I was a little bit nervous because the waistline looked so small. but it stretches out and it actually fits me really nicely. So I'm really pleased with the way that this fits. I think I got these also in a US 6. Yeah, so these are a US 6 as well. So the next piece I'm obsessed with and I love so much. This is a bodysuit. Immediately when I saw this on the website, I was like, hi, I need that. And they actually have a sand one, which is really nice. Sand with like a neon orange, if you guys are into that. Really cute. But I wanted to get the black and the neon green. So cute. I love how this is actually ribbed as well, and it's a mock neck. So what's great about this is a lot of the times in spring, it can be like a little bit chilly some days. So I love how you can wear this with some track pants or, you know, whatever you want to wear it with. And you're not gonna be cold if it's a little bit breezy that day because it is long sleeve, but you also don't have to wear a jacket. So I love that about it. And again, it is a bodysuit and it has the little enclosure at the bottom. By the way, just so you guys know, this specific bodysuit that I'm wearing right now, it doesn't have an enclosure at the bottom. You have to like put it on first. It doesn't come with the little buttons, so just FYI. Okay, so I got some more slushy track pants because I'm really into these like slushy ones and I actually don't have any or don't have much to choose from. So I picked up these ones. They're really similar to the other ones, except these ones are just a simple white stripe on the side. So I'm absolutely obsessed with this. I could easily just wear this with the bodysuit, some sneakers, and be good to go. You can wear this with the hoodie if it's chillier. Just really easy to style. That's what I love. I love pieces that are easy and simple to style because I don't like to spend hours choosing what I'm gonna wear. So I love how simple these are, but they still are really cute with the little stripe on the side. Okay, so let's switch things up a little bit. I wanted to share these shorts with you guys. So these are so cute. They looked adorable on the model. I actually got these from the Boohoo petite section, which I really love to shop through the petite section because I know it's going to fit like my torso and leg size proportions properly, you know what I mean? I'm 5'1", so yeah, these are so cute, you guys, but I don't know, I got these in a size 8 and they fit, yeah, they're like, they give me that like thing at the back where they're a little bit too big, so maybe I could have went a size down. I probably could have went a size down. And they are too big on like the thigh area, but they're so cute. So I might pick these up in a US 6 because I really love them. They're really cute. They're the perfect blue. Okay, this next piece I am really excited for. I don't know when I'm gonna wear this. Maybe Steph's birthday dinner. Maybe I'll wear this for Steph's birthday dinner. Both of my sisters are Pisces, by the way. So both of their birthdays are in March. So I have somewhere to wear this, okay? I'm excited. I don't know why. This is like, I have an outfit idea in my mind with this and I just feel like it's so cute. This is such a simple piece, but you guys know me. I get excited for these simple pieces because to me, fashion is better when it's minimalistic and simplistic or simple, whatever. And I like to like dress myself up with like simple fashion and then makeup and hair. Like I like my makeup to speak for itself. I don't know. Anyways, I'm just rambling. I love this piece so much. It's the most simple bodysuit. This is a really dark like navy, but the material of it is not cotton. It's like almost like spandex, like that really smooth, a little bit shiny material. I'm really bad with naming fabrics, but it's stretchy and it just feels a little bit more on the dressy side. You could dress this down, but I don't know, for me, I'm just picturing it like you go out to dinner or on a little date night, you wear this with some dark jeans. You could wear it with some light jeans, but I don't know, I'm just picturing it with maybe some black jeans or like faded black jeans, maybe some silver hoops, and like really smoky makeup, and some heels would look really pretty even though it would be so uncomfortable. I am a sneaker girl, okay? I love to wear my sneakers, but sometimes, you know, an outfit calls for some heels. So speaking of hoops, I did pick up some hoops from Boohoo because I've kind of been like feeling like I need to experience hoops again or experiment with hoops again because I used to rock hoops literally every day in high school. They were my thing. I was obsessed with them. I would go to the little jewelry shop in the mall and buy like millions of hoops. So I picked up these. I feel like these might be too big. I'm not on my hoop game, okay? I'm not experienced, so I didn't know what size to get, but I feel like these might be too big. But they are really nice though. Maybe I could get away with it. I sometimes feel like, I don't know if I would be able to pull off the bigger hoop, but these are really pretty. I feel like these silver hoops would look so gorgeous with that navy bodysuit, and this actually came in a 2-pack. I think these were like $3 or something like that, like so affordable. So I also picked up these. These are 6.5 millimeters, I think it said, or something like that, or centimeters, something like that. But these were actually more of just like a medium size. So the next item, we're kind of going back to neon here. This is the last neon piece that I picked up, but like I said, I'm not letting up on the neon in spring and summer. This is such a beautiful piece. This is a neon green yellow. On camera, I think it's coming off more yellow, but it's definitely a neon green mini dress. But again, it has the one shoulder. but it is a mini dress and it's ribbed. I really think it's really pretty. I actually haven't tried this one on yet, so anything that I haven't tried on yet, if I don't verbally, like right now, give you guys a little style note or like a fit note, just know I always leave like the little text thingy that will give you guys a little update on how it fit, because I'm going to try them on after this. This I haven't tried on yet, but it seems a little bit see-through. I will say it does seem a little see-through. So I feel like I might need to wear some shapewear with this, maybe a little like slip dress, but it does seem super comfy and it's really just soft and lightweight too, so it's going to be perfect in the spring since it is lightweight. You're not going to be hot in it. Okay, this is another really simple piece that I am obsessed with, okay? This is a cropped knit. Yeah, it is knit, but it's like thin. It's not thick at all. It's like super thin and like lightweight. But this is a cropped ribbed gray sweater. First of all, I love this gray. This is like the type of gray that looks beautiful on anybody. Like any skin tone, any hair, any eye color, this is the type of gray that looks amazing because it's not too dark and it's not too light. So I feel like it's really versatile, looks great on everybody. But I'm obsessed with this because I feel like this would look so cute with a pair of jeans. Like I'm just picturing this with a little cute little simple pair of jeans, some sneakers if you want, and you obviously could dress this up too. I mean, if you're a heel girl, this would look so cute with some heels and jeans. But I mean, even like a little cute leather jacket on top if it does get cold, but you know me, I'm gonna wear it with some sneakers. But this is so cute. It's really soft as well, and I love how I can roll up the sleeve on the bottom, and it's also one of those roll up necks as well. So really cute little lightweight spring sweater, because I feel like in spring sometimes it still calls for sweaters. Okay, so this next piece I am obsessed with. When I saw this, I was like getting that immediately, added it to my cart. So I actually have a sweater just like that, not just like it, but really close similar to it in like a darker charcoal blue. But this is a beautiful khaki color. You can zip the zipper all the way up if you want, but this is such a cute little sweater. You guys know I love my cash sweaters, again with the pair of jeans or some track pants. It's also lightweight too, so it's not super thick. You're not going to be really hot if the sun is shining on a spring day, so I think it's perfect. So this is actually a really similar piece. The only difference with this one is it's a lot more open. Droopy, that's the word, how droopy it is, and it's open all the way over here, so it's just super cash. This one has like a very chill vibe. It is cropped as well, and it has the raw edge. It also has the raw edge on the sleeves as well, so again, it just has more of that like super chill kind of like raw vibe, but again, I love the khaki color. So this next sweater is just a plain old nude, look at the sun coming in, a plain old nude hoodie, but what I loved about this is like it's kind of like that heathered nude. So it's a little bit different than just your standard nude. I really like this because it doesn't have a tie, and I love the simplicity of hoodies that don't have the little tie. I just think it looks really like minimalistic. So this actually came with a tracksuit, but I wasn't a fan of the pants on me because they were way too long. But it was worth it. The price is so good that I knew I wasn't gonna want the pants just because I could tell they were gonna be too big. Oh, also this is actually a US 10 because that's all they had left in stock. But I still wanted to get it. The pants just did not fit me properly, but I knew that a US 10 would be fine for a sweater because it's just going to be like that oversized fit, you know? All right, you guys, so here it is. I'm carrying on the cycling shorts trend in spring 2019. I know this is a trend people either love or hate, but your girl loves them. I feel like they look so cute with an oversized tee or a hoodie. So I love me some cycling shorts, okay? So this is really nice nude cycling shorts. I haven't tried these on yet, so I will leave some like fit and style notes as I try it on, but I love the color. It's a really pretty tan color. This is gonna look so cute with the t-shirts that I'm about to show you guys, or even just an oversized hoodie or whatever. So I'm obsessed with this. I think I got this in a US 6. So next I picked up some jeans, you guys. Now I haven't tried these jeans on yet because last night I had my tan sitting and I was so tempted, but I was like, don't do it, Amy, because I knew I was gonna get tan all over the inside and it was probably gonna rub off my tan. So I had my tan baking and sitting, so I couldn't try these on last night. Probably should have tried them on this morning. Anyways, these look super cute. I'm really hoping they fit me nicely. I'm gonna leave some notes when I try it on in the try on portion, but they seem like they're like that really soft, like stretchy material, because I do not like rough, stiff jeans. Like if I'm gonna wear a jean, I need it to be just like stretchy and soft, you know? It's definitely not jeggings, it's still a jean, but it's a soft jean, like a comfortable, movable, smooth jean. That's the type that I like. This pair is very simple, so there's no rips or anything like that. I like it. I actually think, oh my god, these would look so cute with this. These would look so cute with this. I should have tried it on this morning. Anyways, I love me a good gray jean. I literally have like 65,000 gray jeans in my jean drawer. Needed another pair. No, but seriously, my body is changing and a lot of my jeans, like I'm so in the middle, man. Like there's just, I don't even know what jeans fit me at this point because my body just changes every single month because you guys know I'm on a weight loss journey. So it's like every month my body changes. So I'm kind of just in that space where I'm just getting jeans along the way that hope they fit me along the way. But anyways, I hope these ones are good. I picked this up in a US 6. Okay, so these, I'll be real with you guys, I didn't have my hopes set super high just because the way my body shape is and the way that I'm short, I usually can't find a boyfriend jean that fits me right. Like anytime I see a boyfriend jean online, I'll look at it on the model and it looks amazing on her, but it never looks that good on me. Literally, like, you know, expectations versus reality. It just never looks as good as on me. I think it's because maybe my body shape, plus I'm already short, so sometimes they just always look a little weird and frumpy. So I hope these look good on me. I picked these up in a US 6. They actually have the frayed bottom and just a bunch of rips. So these are like that cute little casual boyfriend jean where you wear with like a white bodysuit or like a t-shirt or something. Really casual and cute. Okay, so the last two pieces of clothing, I have something else to share with you guys, but the last two pieces of clothing that I got are these really cute women tees, woman tees. I picked these up because they have so many woman tees, you guys. They have ones in different fonts, in different styles. They have like a sweater dress, an oversized tee, just like so many different styles. But I picked these up because they're the most like realistic. Like every time in the spring and summer, I love to just throw on a t-shirt with some leggings or with a pair of jeans. Anytime I'm going out to run some errands, it's just a practical, quick outfit for me. So I love a nice little simple tee. So this is a black one with the white woman font, and this is the perfect nude with the white woman font. So I thought this was so cute. I love the way it flows too. It's that really nice material that like you'll just throw it on and it's just gonna flow and feel really good. It's super soft too. This is a US 4. I'm actually happy I got the US 4 because it seems like the size that's gonna like flow on me and be a little bit loose, which that's kind of the vibe that I go for when I want like a t-shirt like this. I feel like once I lose more weight, maybe I'll wish I got the 2, but I feel like the 4 for right now looks good on me. So the last thing that I have to show you guys are the cutest shoes I have ever seen. So as soon as I saw these on the website, I was like, thank you, add to cart. I briefly tried it on, but not with socks, and it did seem like it was maybe half a size a little too big, but it's a really comfortable fit, so I think I'm content with the size. So these are a really nice chunky shoe, but they're the prettiest nude. So I love it because I've actually really been on the hunt for looking for some light nude chunky shoes because I have my black chunky shoes, I got my white chunky shoes. I really wanted some nude ones for when I want like that nude vibe. So I'm actually really happy with these. They're super cute and they're wipeable too, like the material of them. They're really wipeable, so you're gonna be able to clean them easily if you do get them dirty. Okay, you guys, so that is pretty much it for my Boohoo spring haul. I'm so excited to share all these pieces with you. I'm obsessed with them. I love, love, love going to Boohoo every couple weeks or every couple months and seeing what they have because there's always so many pieces to choose from. Like no matter what your style is, what style you like, they're gonna have everything from trendy pieces to just all these different styles. You're gonna love it. And it's super, super affordable. Like I'm not lying. You'll literally get pieces for like $10, $15, $5, like amazing affordable items, and you're gonna look good. Again, I'm gonna leave the link for you guys to shop Boohoo down below if you guys just want the generalized link, and you can check out whatever sale they're having right now because they're always having big sales. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching my Boohoo haul. Let me know what your favorite piece was. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.